There are many things a visually impaired person can do, but have you ever seen a blind hairdresser? In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, Kayan Morgan will introduce you to one who says that her blindness hasn't allowed her disability to become an inability.
Think you've seen it all? Well, think again. At first glance, it is clear a woman is getting her hair done. But if you take a closer look, you'll realize the hairdresser is visually impaired. In fact, she's completely blind. This is Beverly Burry, better known in West Kingston as Tashoy. She's been a hairdresser for over 10 years. But Tashoy wasn't always a hairdresser, nor was she born blind.
I was hit by a bottle from my baby father. It hurt me so much when I talk about that.
Though it happened over 25 years ago, the memory is still fresh and the pain still raw.
We had a quarrel and he just used a bottle and hit me in my face and burst my eye.
The shattered bottle left splinters in her eyes, and as time progressed, her vision deteriorated.
I have a lot of nervous breakdown. Couldn't have a stirred mind by doing the braille. I could write, then I'm gonna learn to do braille. It was so hard. But after that, I get to socialize with other blind people, thanks to the Society for the Blind.
The bond she formed there was what helped her to accept her fate, after which she taught herself a new skill.
I was like, what I can do to make me happy again? Okay, I started braid here, tried it in friends till I'm perfect. A jerry curls hair, a cream hair. I also make gift basket.
These are some of her work.
A lot of crowd always come around and say, wow, she really blind. So it really amazed a lot of people.
But though she has mastered her craft and has grown her clientele, Tashoy says people have tried to take advantage of her.
I remember braiding a lady here. I charged her $1,000. She gave me $250 and it really makes me so unhappy.
Added to that, clients are a bit hesitant to visit where she lives. Her dream is to start her own business outside of her community.
I don't trust myself by going out to other people's house to do hair because I don't know who is who. But having a shop, they can come there.
Nonetheless,
I feel real proud, so I just like doing and never stop doing just to achieve.
She has a message for others in a similar situation.
Sit by yourself, think what you want and try. When you try, it will be successful. It's gonna be hard, but never stop.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.